So it's time to start doing some calculations. To begin with then, I'm going to write in my own date of birth, so the spreadsheet knows when I was born. You also need to tell the spreadsheet what today's date and time is. So I've selected cell H6 and I'm going to type in there equals now, open brackets, close brackets. So see at the top, type in equals, write the word now, open brackets, close brackets. And that tells the spreadsheet today's date and the time. And then using this information, we can work some of these things out. So to begin with, we want to work out what someone's age is. So to do that, every calculation starts with an equals. So we're going to say equals, and then in brackets, because this is going to be quite a complicated sum, so in brackets, it's today's date and time. So H6, I wrote that in. So H6 and minus your date of birth, and then close brackets. So that will tell you how old you are in sort of seconds, which isn't very useful right now. If we divide that by 365, because there's 365 days in a year, then it should tell you your exact age. So this is telling me that I'm 29.19 years old, which is exactly correct. To see how many days old we are then, it's 29 times 365. So if you press equals, click on cell E8, where you've got your age, and times in a spreadsheet is the star symbol above the number 8 on your keyboard. So times 365, press enter. So that's how many days old I am. How many hours old? I need to times this by 24. So, because there's 24 hours in a day. So if I press equals, and I click on this one, which is cell E9, I want to times that by 24, press enter. So that is how many hours old I am. How many seconds? For that we need to times this by 60 to see how many minutes old I am, and then times it by 60 again to see how many seconds old I am. So it's equals the number of hours times 60. I'll just put that in brackets. And then I want to times that by 60 again. So that is how many seconds old I am. And what's interesting with a spreadsheet, if you press F9 on a spreadsheet, it refreshes. So if you hold down F9, for example, I can see how many seconds old I am going up by a second each time. So I'm just holding down F9 on the keyboard to see myself getting older as I watch this spreadsheet.